Theta United States dollar medium-term support certainly remained at 92 cents in every practical sense, significant way. The very current exchanging volume of Theta organization truly is at $12,183,300 in every way that really matters, significant way. Theta organization sort of is as of now esteemed at $1.02 bears control Theta's sort of current cost activities in a quite enormous manner. 12 February 2024, in this video we'll generally walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now and essentially attempt to answer these much of the time, generally got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is especially momentary cost expectation for Theta organization. Truly is Theta but truly wise interest in a fundamentally significant manner. Theta organization support and opposition levels and so forth in an especially huge manner. Yet, prior to jumping in every way that really matters, profound into the Theta specialized examination, in every way that really matters, let us sort of discuss the very current economic situations, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there generally was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,786,900,000. Bitcoin shares 52.47% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they basically thought. Which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $47,797.16 level after a decay of 0.81%, which fundamentally is very critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value lessening of 1.81%, coming to $2,478.89 during the past 24 hours in a genuinely significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $316.33, following a value change of 2.22% within a similar time span in a significant manner. Sold the really local coin of Solana basically is somewhere around 5 and right now exchanging at $104.74, which especially is very critical. Furthermore, XRP came to 52 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 3.08% in esteem, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market basically is going in a sort of descending bearing for sort of transient in an unpretentious manner. Right now, a for the most part broad extremely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Theta organization backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to recognize really key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how these occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in an especially descending bearing for especially present moment, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Support in every way that really matters is a level at which purchasers essentially become commonly more sort of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in a by and large huge manner. Similarly, opposition certainly is a level at which merchants explicitly become move certainly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so Bitcoin shares 52.47% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%, which fundamentally is very huge. Following fundamentally are the help and obstruction levels of Theta organization, Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta, especially is at $1.02, down 1.57% in the truly beyond 24 hours and in every practical sense, has a value change of 5.97% throughout the week in an unpretentious manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC especially is $12,183,300.00 United States dollars, while essentially all-out market cap came to $1,015,655,490 United States dollars, which generally shows that Theta organization backing and obstruction exhibiting how these occasions by and large demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in a truly descending heading for kind of transient in an unobtrusive manner. There explicitly are very nearly 1 billion really are available for use out of 1 billion, so there in a real sense are right around 1 billion, essentially are available for use out of 1 billion in a quite enormous manner. Theta organization value examination Theta cost investigation for 12 February 2024, inside a by and large day-to-day time span, especially made sense of underneath, exhibiting that market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there for the most part was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense, Whole digital money market to $1,786,952,369,650. Or so they all things considered, thought. We utilize fundamentally relative strength INDEX moving genuinely normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including exceptionally straightforward moving commonly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving in every practical sense. Normal, EMA, to essentially dissect the future development of the Theta organization in a for the most part significant manner. The Theta United States dollar moving extremely normal combination and difference, MACD, pointer, truly is showing a present moment most certainly sell genuinely signal, as the MACD line fundamentally is moving underneath really signal line which explicitly implies in every practical sense, bears explicitly are overwhelming on the lookout, fundamentally further appearance how one-day exchanging volume for BTC in a real sense is 12,183,300.00 United States dollars, while kind of all out, market cap came to $1,015,655,490 United States dollars. Which in a real sense shows that Theta organization backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting how these occasions all things considered demonstrate that the market basically is going in a really descending heading for kind of present moment. Or so they in a real sense thought. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 29 and in a real sense is attempting to generally break out of the negative zone while featuring huge negative strength. Showing how Theta organization backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting how these occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a genuinely descending course for certainly transient amazingly. Theta explicitly has a sort of the closest opposition of $1.04, exhibiting how Theta sort of has a kind of the closest obstruction of $1.04, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. A bullish breakout in this obstruction level would for the most part help the upturn energy, or so they for the most part thought. The purchasers could then focus on the opposition R2 put at $1.08, which especially is very critical. On the other hand, in the event that the financial backers certainly betray the Theta organization, Theta, the especially bears could handle the market and especially take Theta cost underneath the urgent help level of 96 cents. Showing how following really are the help and obstruction levels of Theta organization, Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta, in every practical sense, is at $1.02, down 1.57% in the especially beyond 24 hours, and basically has a value change of 5.97% over the course of the week, or so they truly thought. While Theta's Williams % R pointer in every practical sense is at 53.763 for the 14